How can we provide a really good restaurant experience? You know, when you go to a good restaurant and you have a great server, you don't really notice what's going on. You just know the food shows up, it's warm, everything's great. You know, they don't ask you how's it going while you have a bunch of food in your mouth.
Yeah.
The bill shows up, you don't have to check it for data problems. You tip, you leave, and all you remember is the interactions you have with your friends. Do you remember when we went to restaurants? That was awesome.
I do remember. I miss going really badly, and that experience where all I have to do is show up and kind of do my job, which is eat good food, and everything else is taken care
Everything
of
else
for
is
me.
taken care
That's
of.
when I like it.
Yes. Productivity engineering is the restaurant and the wait staff and all of the things that we're serving you that you can take advantage of. And we want to find the right mix for like that a la carte menu or that prefix menu, right? Do you need some tools to do X, Y, and Z? We'll make sure they're curated at the right level. Do you want to have a full end-to-end experience where you basically sit back and enjoy the ride and then just focus on what the, you know, particular domain thing is that you're focusing on? Like, that's what we're trying to create within productivity engineering.